Jingbam don kanu ka Khusnam na ka banta ki Nongtrei civil defense halor ki kam ka ba ki le kala penlong ya ka sarkar jala ban sheme karai ban thau ya ka Khusnam ka ba kerpang na ka banta jongki ka bala tip kum ka governor civil defense medal kane karai kala wan hadin ka jingalang ka kunhun ki menteri sarkar MDA2 ka bala penlong ha ka khandai trikuno pra araja arpusau parhaba pentip ya kani sekilat pathai kubor menteri rangba ka jala Conrad ke sangma ulaong bahagi senam ki beladam kam dan kanu ka Khusnam ka ban ai ka Jingithuh ya ki home guard na lor ki Nongtrei ka tanat civil defense bat lingba kani ka Khusnam kin yo ya ka Jingithuh ka ba ki dei ban yo.
The Governor's Civil Defense Medal, as you're aware that we have got the Chief Minister's medal, the Governor's medal in terms of our Meghalaya police, but in the civil defense there was no recognition for the uniformed personnels to get any kind of recognition and any award. So we have decided to constitute a Governor's Civil Defense Medal for the Home Guards and Civil Defense Department.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka shop plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka shop plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya